celebration of Eid ul-Ghadir, marking the declaration of the Wilayat, spiritual authority, of Maula Ali, A.S., was observed, with prayers offered for the well-being of the nation and the community. Nanded. Just as in previous years, the celebration of Eid-e-Ghadir was organized this year by Sufi Muhammad Tawfiq Ali Qadri Shattari at Khanqa-e-Qasim-ul-Awliya, Nauri Chowk, Mahbubnagar, Nanded. On this auspicious occasion, Friday, June 5, 2026, arrangements were made for a Mehfil-e-Sama, spiritual musical gathering, and Langa, community feast, dedicated to Maula Ali, A.S. Sufi Muhammad Ubaid Ansari, national spokesperson of the Sufi Khanqa Association, graced the gathering with his presence, while Sufi Sheikh Khadir Qadri Panjatani Molai, the Maharashtra state president of the Sufi Khanqa Association, attended as the chief guest. The auspicious gathering was held under the patronage of Hazrat Sufi Majid Pasha Qadri Shattari, Sajjada Nashin, Khanqa-e-Anwar-e-Zakir, Peddapur, Sangareddy, and presided over by Peer Sufi Ali Baba Faisal Ilahi Panjatani, James Salisil Sajjada Nashin, Dargah Hazrat Sufi Ghus Khan Qadri Chishti Al-Iftikhari Faisal Ilahi Panjatani, Chaman Eidgah Road, Nanded. It was conducted under the leadership of Muhammad Shafiullah Sabri Chishti Qadri Kulandar ul Mirzi. It was supported by Advocate Sheikh Mazhar Hussain Shah Qadri, Khalifa-e-Mijaz of Hazrat Abdul Ghani Shah Qadri, Sajjada Nashin, Holi Khed. It was supervised by Haji Abdul Razak Chishti Hussaini, Barad, with the distinguished presence of Sufi Qadri Baba, who arrived from Bodhan, Nizamabad. Sufi Amjad Baba Qadri, Nanded, and Allah Wali Sahib Qadri Shattari, Nanded, attended this blessed gathering as special guests, alongside local Sufi saints and social activists. Under the supervision of Sufi Tawfiq Ali Qadri, a Langa, community feast, was organized after the Maghrib prayer to mark the auspicious occasion of Jashn-e-Ghadir. This was followed by a Mehfil-e-Sama, spiritual musical gathering, after the Isha prayer, where Mauli Qawwal Sufi Ghulam Taj commenced the proceedings with the Kalam, Man Kuntu Maula, filling the atmosphere with the resounding praise of Maula Ali. Sufi Muhammad Tawfiq Ali Qadri honored the visiting Sufi saints and Mashak, spiritual masters, by presenting them with shawls and floral tributes. The Khulafa, deputies, and Murideen, disciples, of the Qadri Shattari Silsila, spiritual order, worked tirelessly to ensure the success of this blessed gathering. Speaking on the occasion, Sufi Muhammad Ubaid Ansari, national spokesperson of the Sufi Khanqa Association, stated that the country runs according to the constitution, not by the fatwas, religious decrees, of any mullah or maulvi. He urged Sufi saints to continue organizing such gatherings in accordance with their faith and advised that if anyone issues baseless fatwas, legal action should be taken, or the Sufi Khanqa Association should be contacted.